Thank you for taking the time to listen to our 99 positive affirmations. These can be used anytime throughout the day, especially in morning and in evening right before bed. We thank you so very much for allowing us to send you some positive energy, and we look forward to seeing you again. Always remember throughout the day to give yourself grace, because there's only one of you, and that's where your power is. Please don't forget to hit that subscribe button and that notification bell for all our new videos. Repeat after me. I breathe in trust. I exhale doubt. Changing my mind is a strength, not a weakness. Every decision I make is supported by my whole inarguable experience. I affirm and encourage others as I do myself. I alone hold the truth of who I am. I am allowed to ask for what I want and what I need. I am allowed to feel good. I am capable of balancing ease and effort in my life. I am complete as I am, and others simply support me. I am content and free from pain. I am doing the work that works for me. I am good and getting better. I am growing and I am going at my own pace. I am held and supported by those who love me. I am in charge of how I feel and how I choose to feel happy. I am listening and open to the message the universe has to offer today. I am loved and I am worthy. I am more than my circumstances dictate. I am open to healing. I am optimistic because today is a new day. I am proof enough of who I am and what I deserve. I am peaceful and whole. I am proof enough of who I am and what I deserve. I am responsible for myself, and I start there. I am safe and surrounded by love and support. I am still learning, so it is okay to make mistakes. I am understood, and my perspective is important. I am valued and helpful. I am well rested and excited for the day. I am worthy of investing in myself. I belong here, and I deserve to take up space. I breathe in healing and exhale all the things that burden my heart. I breathe in trust and exhale doubt. I can be soft in my heart and firm in my boundaries. I can control how I respond to things that are confronting. I can hold two opposing feelings at once. It means I am processing. I celebrate the good qualities in others and myself. I deserve an affirming touch on my own terms. I deserve information, and I deserve moments of silence too. I deserve self-respect and a clean space. I do all things in love. I do not have to linger in dark places. There is help for me here. I do not pretend to be anyone or anything other than who I am. I do not rise and fall for another. I do not rush through my life. I temper with speed and stillness. I embrace change seamlessly and rise to the new opportunity it presents. I embrace the questions in my heart and welcome the answers in their own time. I grow towards my interests like a plant reaching for the sun. I have come farther than I would have ever thought possible. I'm learning along the way. I have everything I need to succeed. I hold community for others, and I am held in community by others. I hold wisdom beyond knowledge. I invite abundance and a generous heart. I invite art and music into my life. I leave room in my life for spontaneity. I let go of the things that sit achingly out of my reach. I look forward to tomorrow and the opportunities that await me. I love that I love love. I make decisions based on a good gut. I make changes based on a growing heart. I make time to experience grief and sadness when necessary. I nourish myself with kind words and joyful foods. I practice gratitude for all that I have and all that is yet to come. I release the fears that do not serve me. I respect the cycle of the seasons. I seek out mystery in the ordinary. I strive for joy, not perfection. I tell the truth about who I am and what I need from others. I uplift my joy and the joy of others. I welcome the wisdom that comes with growing older. I welcome what is. I welcome what comes. I will allow myself to evolve. Letting go creates space for opportunities to come. My body is beautiful in this moment and at its current size. My body is worthy of being cared for and adorned in beautiful garments. My feelings deserve names, deserve recognition, deserve to be felt. My heart is open to the helpfulness from myself and from others. My heart knows its own way. My life is not a race or competition. My perspective is unique and important. My pleasure does not require someone else's pain. My sensitivity is beautiful and my feelings and emotions are valid. My weirdness is wonderful. Saying no is an act of self-affirmation too. Sometimes the work is resting. There is growth in stillness. There is peace in changing your mind when it is done in love. There is poetry in everything if I look for it. There is room for me at the table. There is something in this world that only I can do. That is why I'm here. There is strength in being quiet. There is vulnerability in being loud. Today I celebrate that I am younger than I am ever going to be. Today is an opportunity to grow and learn. When I feel fear, I feed trust. When I focus on my reason for being, I am brave. When I forgive myself, I free myself. When I release shame, I move into myself more beautifully. When I root into the earth rises to support me. When I speak my needs, I receive them abundantly. When I speak to myself as I would a friend, I see all my best qualities and allow myself to shine. Words may shape me, but they do not make me. I am here already.